to mind your P's and Q's. That means to be polite. Apparently in America it means a bit more to be on your toes, to look sharp, be careful, be with it, whereas in Britain it's a bit more be good manners. Where it comes from, nobody knows, but there are a number of theories, which is always fun. So P and Q, you wouldn't want to get those the wrong way round, would you? Please and thank you. Bit dodge that. Pints and quarters. If you were selling beer, that normally comes in a pint, but a quart has 2 pints. In fact, there used to be an advert for, can't remember who it was. I think it was Double Diamond, the pint that thinks it's a quart. I don't know whether it still exists. So a pint like that, quart, 2 pints. So you would want to be careful to make sure you're getting those right. But also apparently it's a dancing term. Pied, feet, and I think it's Q, something, to mean ponytail. But you wouldn't want to get those confused. But I can't imagine many people would. I've had a ponytail for years and I never once tried to lace it up with my shoelaces. So who knows? One theory is as good as another. But if you're going out and your mum's a bit worried, she might say, mind your P's and Q's, which means be on good form. I'll give you a thick ear. But it doesn't necessarily mean the latter part. But you know what I mean. See you soon.